Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cycling Crochet. Today you're going to need a 1.90mm hook, a pair of scissors, tape measure and needle for our work. So first of all, you make your chain, you make your slip stitch, and you continue by making a chain up to 2.5 inch, or you can extend it to 3 inches depending on how wide you want your band to be. So this is 2.5 inch, yeah. And this band normally works with 10 yarns. Okay, so if you want a more beautiful headband, you must use a 10 yarn for your project. So next, you are going to make a double crochet in each of the stitch holes till we get to our starting point. So you make your double crochet. Right, so when you get to the end, you chain one and you turn your work. Then you're going to back looping. Okay, so we double crochet back looping. So you indicate the loop behind, insert your hook and yarn over and pull through two and pull through two. Okay, so that's back looping. You indicate the loop that you have behind, then you make your double crochet. Okay, so this is back looping. Yeah, so when you get to the end of the row, you chain one and you turn your work, and you continue with your back looping. But first of all, the first double crochet, you make a first double crochet without back looping so that it will be able to lie down flat. Then the next stitch hole, you back loop by indicating the loop behind and you double crochet. So you're going to do this till you get to the end. Then when you get to the end, you chain one, turn again, but the first double crochet that you don't back loop, you just make your normal double crochet. Always remember that. But the rest you back loop until you get to the end, and you chain and you turn your work until you get to your desirable length that you have. Okay, so after several rows, which is 17 inches. Yeah, so 17 inches. I think I'm okay with this one. Of course, you can put it around your head or a head area just to find out if it's okay for you. Okay, so then next of all, you're going to join the two ends together. Okay, so your starting point and your ending point, you just join them either by making single crochet to join the two pieces together, or you use your thread and your needle to join the ends together. Okay, so for this one, I'm just making a single crochet joining the two ends. So you cut off the excess, you tie it so whether it doesn't come off. So you cut off your excess, Then you turn your work here like this. So with the help of your thread or your yarn and your needle, you are going to create some kind of effects over where we just single crocheted. So this is how I normally fold my work. So first of all, I fold it from the middle like this. Then I add the side by folding the sides also together like this. So making like folding like 3. Yeah, so you have the middle and the side like this. Then I join the 2 pieces, or I join it together with the yarn. Okay, so you just sew the sides so that it goes through the middle fold. Okay, make sure it's so tight. Okay, so next you just fix it well. Then you cut off any excess yarn that you have. Right, so we are almost done with our headband. Yeah, so next you are going to you take your yarn and you make your slip stitch. Then you chain like 2.5 inch. Yeah, something that can easily wrap around the middle parts. Yes, so this is okay. Then next I'm going to make a double crochet. So this one is like 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches. You cut off the excess. Then you make double crochet in each of the stitch hole. So you are making 2 rows of double crochet. Of course you can do without this, but this, I'm just making this just to add a little bit of details to my headband. Okay, so you make double crochet till you get to the end. Then you chain 1, you turn your work and continue with the last double crochet. So you're making 2 rows of double crochet. When you're done, I'll teach you what to do. Next, you're going to fix this around our band like this. Yes, then you use your thread and needle, or you just single crochet to join the 2 ends together. Okay, so I'm single crocheting. If you're not okay with the single crochet, just use your thread and your yarn and your needle to just join it. Okay, so you tie it and you cut off your excess. Remember that headbands normally works well with the thin yarn. Guys, our band is ready to use. So simple and easy to make. You can make this in any color of your choice. Very stretchy. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned next week, same time. Bye.